Hey, I'm AD Dolphin, the CEO of Dherbs.com, and welcome to another episode of Fact or Fiction. Last week, we got so many emails about what we did the previous week. It was about myth busting. All the people that are out there exaggerating so many different scenarios. So this week, we decided to do it again. Hey, AD, growing up, I heard when you sneeze, your heart skips a beat. Now, I've been wrong about a lot of things in my life, but I think this is completely bogus. I need to know if this is true or not. Also, if this is true, is this why we say bless you to each other when we sneeze? Thanks, Franklin. Franklin, great question. Look, I heard that same saying, and I'm so glad I did the research to find out whether or not this is true. And guess what, Franklin? This is definitely fiction. Your heart has a different rhythm. It speeds up and slows down all the time. This is constantly happening. For example, your heart can speed up while running, but it also slows down while sleeping. What it comes down to is this. Look, when you sneeze, your rhythm may be thrown off, but your heart doesn't actually stop. It moves at a different pace, but it never completely stops. So God bless you. Where did it come from? It actually came from during the bubonic plague. There was a Pope Gregory. What they started doing every time people would sneeze, since sneezing was a big part of the plague, that was one of the symptoms, they started saying bless you. So hoping that people wouldn't die from that. And nowadays, it's just considered a polite gesture. I hope I don't have the bubonic plague. And you know what? No one said bless you. God bless you. What kind of manners do y'all have around here? Hello, AD. I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one that feels this way, but I absolutely cannot use public restrooms. Even if I cover the seat in toilet paper before I go, the thought of sitting on germ-infested seats disgusts me. I don't think I'm in my head here, but can toilet seats make you sick or what? Thank you, Sheila. Sheila, even if you wouldn't have told me your name, I knew you were a woman, because women only go to the restroom one place, and that's called home. They were literally hold it all day long. They don't care. It is not going to happen. But Sheila, rest easy, because this question is actually fiction. Even if the bathroom looks clean, we automatically feel like germs are lurking around us. Where are the germs lurking? Look, they're actually on that door handle. Do not grab that on your way out. Definitely probably apply something to it. Also, it's on the door itself. Germs definitely exist there, and also on the floor. That's where we need to really truly protect ourselves. Not the seat. The norovirus. That's the virus that exists in those bathrooms. It's actually found within fecal matter. They're on those doorknobs and also those faucet handles. Can you catch a STD from a toilet seat? I know there's so many people out there claiming that they did, and it's not true. You can't. It's not a common place to catch a STD at all. Disease-causing organisms can only live a small, minute amount of time on a seat, so no one's catching it from there. Like I said, be honest with your partner. Stop lying. First of all, whether or not you're at your friend's house, the ballpark, the theater, look, wash your hands. And also, when you're leaving that bathroom, like I said before, do whatever you gotta do to avoid that door handle and those doors, because that's where the germs lie. Next question. What's up, AD? I burned my hand while making breakfast the other day, and my husband suggested that I put butter on it so it could heal faster. I never got a chance to do it because we were out of butter that morning, but after watching your last episode, I was curious to know if it was a myth as well. Hope to hear back soon, Marcia. Look, Marcia, we're not making toast here. You're not supposed to apply butter. That is ridiculous. This is definitely fiction. When it actually comes to burns, doctors don't recommend you applying any cream, any lotion, nothing like that to those particular areas that you have burned. You can actually make it worse. This is the first thing that you need to do. Look, apply cold water And also isolate the area and clean around it. Keep that area clean and then begin to bandage it. Look, when it comes to severe burns, there's certain areas you should be conscious about, really conscious about. That's your face, your hands, your groins, because the underlying function of those areas can be also damaged. Damaging those particular functions can lead to long-term health problems. And if the burn is severe enough, look, go to the doctor. Thanks for watching Fact or Fiction. If you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below, or you can email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com. And you already know what I'm about to say. Hit the subscribe button. See you next week.